One AI has just upgraded their video model to 2.2 and it's available all over the world. In this video, we will test the new One 2.2 by trying both its text to video and image to video feature. We will see how it performs, what better than previous model and what's still missing. So let's begin the video. First of all, I say this is an open source video model that you can locally install it on your PC. But if you do not have a GPU, you can use this free on their website. So if we go to their website and click on model section, we see they have added the new model One 2.2 Plus. They are claiming that it generates the more precise motion and give you the film-like quality. And if we go in text to video, we also get the 2.2. One thing more, this model generates up to 5-second long video. The rest of the feature still doesn't support the 2.2 yet. So let's start putting our prompts and images in it and check the result. So in text to video, I give a prompt. A traveler woman walking through a jungle, looking scared, and camera zoom on her face. After entering prompt, click on generate and see the result. You can see it's looking very engaging like a real movie scene, and the prompt I give so simple and it exactly zoom her face and their face expression are looking scared. The output look very realistic and cinematic, look like a View 3 quality. This model is much better than the previous 2.1 model and the movements are really natural. In the One 2.2, we have also given an option Inspiration Mode, where AI try to enhance your visual and generate the high quality output. So I again use this prompt with Inspiration Mode and see what AI makes it special. Here is the output generated and see at this time, character is changed but the results are shocking than the previous. It honestly feels like a real movie scene and I think these results are close to the sea dance. And if we talk about the sound effects, it adds this scared sound that matches the vibe. Here is a complex shot side by side showing outputs are generated with the same prompt with inspiration mode and without inspiration mode. You can clearly see that video made with inspiration mode looks more dynamic and smooth. So next we move on to the image to video feature, and here is our image and I give prompt to this. She is shaking her hair and looks around. Again I generate this output with the inspiration mode and without inspiration mode. See what AI will create for us. Alright, it generates our output and see the side-by-side comparison of both. Both of these outputs are looking perfect. The video dynamics and motions are accurate. In without inspiration mode, there is a little bit glitch in motion, but both of these outputs are good. Here is the one more image I use for creating the video. See the result. It's not always generate the perfect result. Sometimes produce the very weird result. Just look at this. It doesn't feel unnatural at all. The camera angle is so bad. In another example, an old man trying to take off his glasses. At first, it looks fine, but when he removes them, the glasses are still there. Only the hand moves. That's why you need to test a single prompt multiple times to get a good result. When you create an account on One AI, they give you 10 free credits every day. With those credits, you can generate one video daily. It's not a lot, but for basic use or testing, it's enough. It's not much, but you guys know how to handle this situation better. That's all from me today. This was a quick review on One 2.2. Some say it does not give the good emotions. But honestly, it all depends on you how simple and clear you give the prompt. If you want a dedicated video in comparison with other AI model, let me know in the comment section. See you guys in the next video.